Nice, Zeeble. Trade up, Zeeble. Yeah.
Still.
Run now. Yes, Ross! Stay engaged. Let's talk comms here, comms. Here, Seth. That way.
Yep. Nice. Lots of reps.
Here, mate. Touch there. So obviously we come up. How do you want me to connect with you? Eye contact or voice?
Yep.
Ooh! I would hate to get tackled by you. Shame you can't catch me. Here, Seth. Here. That's the one. Here. Seth. Yeah. So go.
The ball hits hands, then I can go. The ball hits hands and lands in front of you, I can still
Get there. Yeah. Did you ever play forward?
Last couple of years,
No, I'm joking. I like that. That's going to be mint, I reckon. That's going to be fun. It's going to be fun.